Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. This is Kisi Tech at your service, where we bring you the latest and most in-depth insights into the world of consumer electronics. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many Vivo V29e users might find invaluable: LCD replacement. If you're a proud owner of the Vivo V29e, then stay tuned because we've got everything you need to know about maintaining your device's display, ensuring longevity, and getting the best performance out of your smartphone. First, let's briefly talk about what makes the Vivo V29e a standout device. This smartphone has garnered a lot of attention due to its sleek design, impressive camera capabilities, powerful processor, and vibrant display. The Vivo V29e is not just a device. It's a lifestyle accessory that keeps you connected, productive, and entertained. Why is the LCD important? The LCD liquid crystal display is arguably the most critical component of your smartphone. It's the window through which you interact with your device, viewing photos, watching videos, gaming, browsing the web, and much more. A high-quality LCD ensures crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and a seamless user experience. Conversely, a damaged or malfunctioning LCD can hinder your device's usability and diminish your overall experience. Common LCD issues in Vivo V29e. Like any electronic component, the LCD can face issues over time or due to accidental damage. Common problems include cracked or shattered screen due to drops or impacts, dead pixels or discoloration, touchscreen unresponsiveness, flickering or display artifacts, backlight issues resulting in dim or uneven brightness. If you're experiencing any of these issues, replacing the LCD can restore your device to near original condition. When should you consider LCD replacement? Visible physical damage like cracks or shattered glass, persistent display issues such as flickering or dead pixels, touch responsiveness problems that don't resolve with software resets, significant discoloration or dead zones on the screen, water or liquid damage affecting the display. The importance of professional replacement. While some tech-savvy users may attempt DIY repairs, we strongly recommend professional replacement for the Vivo V29e LCD. A proper repair ensures correct handling of delicate components, avoiding further damage, proper calibration of the new LCD, maintaining device warranty, if applicable, choosing the right replacement LCD. Not all LCDs are created equal. When replacing your Vivo V29e screen, ensure you're getting a genuine high-quality component. Here's what to look for. Compatibility with Vivo V29e. Original manufacturer parts or certified replacements. Warranty on the replacement part. Positive reviews and reputable vendors. Product link and where to buy. We've included a direct link in the description below where you can find high-quality LCD replacements for the Vivo V29e. Make sure to choose a trusted seller to guarantee authenticity and quality. Maintenance tips post-replacement. Once your new LCD is installed, use a tempered glass screen protector to prevent future damage. Avoid dropping or applying excessive pressure to the screen. Keep your device away from water and extreme temperatures. Regularly clean the screen with a soft, lint-free cloth. Now, let's chat about why the LCD is such a big deal. So, the LCD, or liquid crystal display, is basically the most important part of your phone. It's your go-to for everything. Checking out photos, binge-watching videos, gaming, scrolling through the web, you name it. A top-notch LCD means you get sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and an all-around smooth experience. But if that screen gets damaged or starts acting up, that can totally ruin your vibe and make using your phone a pain. So yeah, keep that screen in check, folks. Conclusion. Replacing the LCD of your Vivo V29e can seem daunting, but with professional assistance and quality parts, you can restore your device's visual brilliance and functionality. Whether it's accidental damage or aging, timely replacement ensures your smartphone continues to serve you well. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech tutorials and reviews. Check out the product link in the description for top-quality LCD replacement parts. If you have any questions or experiences to share about Vivo V29e repairs, drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community. Thanks for watching Kisi Tech, and see you in the next video.